How to use Poshmark Authentication for luxury items. Well, Poshmark offers a free authentication service, Posh Authenticate, for luxury items sold on its platform. This service is designed to give both buyers and sellers confidence in the authenticity of high-end goods. Now, there is a price threshold understanding which items qualify for luxury items and authentication. Only items sold for over $500 automatically qualify for Posh Authenticate. If you sell a bundle, only the individual items within it that are listed at $500 or higher will trigger the authentication process. This service is primarily for luxury brands, high-end handbags, and accessories. Items under $500 do not automatically qualify for this service, though they are still covered by Posh Protect. Now, when listing luxury items, you want to provide detailed, clear photos of logos, tags, serial numbers, and hardware to aid the authentication process. Once a qualifying item sells, Poshmark will automatically send a prepaid, pre-addressed shipping label to you. You ship the item directly to Poshmark's authentication team in California, not to the buyer. The team inspects the item for quality, materials, and authenticity, which typically takes 1 to 2 business days, though it can take longer, up to 7 days during holidays. Once verified, Poshmark repackages the item and ships it to the buyer with a certificate of authentication. Now, for buyer, look for the items with the Posh Authenticate badge. So if you're looking for certain brands here, if you select a particular luxury bag like this one, and then scroll down below, you'll be able to see the Posh Protect buyer protection policy here. So it is here, it is enabled. So you can proceed to purchase it without hesitation. So you want to look for this logo Posh Authenticate badge. When you buy a qualifying item, it is shipped to the authentication center first. So during the purchase, it'll be shipped to authentication center first, and it'll be authenticated, inspected, and then it'll be sent to you. If the item cannot be verified as authentic, Poshmark will cancel the order and provide you with a full refund. Keep in mind that this process adds extra shipping time, often 1 to 2 weeks in total. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.